Hello friends and welcome to the first Wednesday Quickie of 2024. Today we're going to show you a very small home maintenance that will save you a lot of money, and a lot of people don't even realize it's possible, so stick around. Most everyone has a grill and we have a grill, and this grill is approximately 2 years old and it's still in very good shape. As you can see, we have no rust, we have no serious issues. Maybe it needs a little bit of cleaning, but there is a problem. But wait, there is more. Ta-da! Inside is in horrible shape, and the protectors of the burners have completely disintegrated. In fact, that's what you see in here. So we're going to replace them. There are kits readily available. We bought ours on Amazon and they come with everything you need. Unfortunately, as you are going to see, ours did not come with the igniters and we could not remove them from their old brackets, so we need to buy igniters. Specific to your grill, so you need to know what grill you have, right? And we hope this is correct. We are doing it live, right?
On the fly.
We haven't tried anything before. So the first step is to purchase the correct replacement parts, and then vacuum inside your grill to remove anything that is still left there. So we start by throwing away all the old, and again, most of you know that's how it looks, but as you can see, this is completely done, and this was the best one. It goes here, just to orient people.
It's the best one, as in the least disintegrated,
Right.
because the others are all in pieces.
Yeah, that's... And of course, with $20 versus a new grill, even a cheap grill is at least 200, right?
Yeah.
And the next step will be to bring our vacuum and vacuum all these and all. Can you see here how much debris is there? Okay.
There's a lot of debris.
This is a great opportunity to clean the grill, not only to get rid of any debris from the disintegrated covers,
Yeah, we're
but
ready.
also it is a good practice to clean your grill at least once a year, and I've not done it this year yet. So we're going to completely clean the grill, to have every foreign object and everything that doesn't need to be there removed, so when we start grilling again, we're going to have the best results possible.
So take your time.
Make sure you notice the orientation of all your pieces, so when you put them back, you have them correctly. This is a straightforward repair as long as you take a little bit of care. There are no other screws in our specific grill. In some grills you might have some screws, so pay attention where they are and make sure you do not vacuum them away. So a little care is all you need here to have a very good repair. Also, as you learn from our video, make sure that they have all the parts that you need, and if you don't, just purchase them and you can easily finish this project. So the next step is to remove the burners. Do we need a light, do you think? Very
Maybe.
dark here. And the burners simply come out. They're supposed to simply come out. So you should just hold it and remove it. This is the lighter cable, which is the only thing you need to unplug.
All right.
I hope that we don't have to reuse this. And after we remove all of them, we are going to also
So this
Vacuum
next
again.
one, maybe you can not have your hand in the way and show people what you're disconnecting.
Okay, if I must.
Well, they might find it useful.
There is a cable that connects the igniter.
Okay. All right. There we go.
And now we're going to do a little more vacuuming.
Okay. We won't show you that.
No. So now we're going to take the new parts out. And again, I have not done anything before. We just hope it's the right parts. It looks like the
good
right
catch.
parts. We have 3. That's a good start.
And as you can see, we've vacuumed that out pretty thoroughly.
And here are the burners. And let's hope they have the igniters too, so we don't have to transfer the old ones. No, they don't. So as you can see, the igniters are missing, so we have to remove them from the old ones and put them here.
Okay.
One of the first things you do when you get new parts is to compare them. And they look pretty similar, correct?
Yeah.
So we think that will work.
And so the piece we're talking about right now is the igniter here, which is this, that has to come out of this one and go into this one. And to remove it, we have what looks like a Phillips head screw here that's holding it in place. Try to zoom in a little bit better there. And
Yeah.
we'll get some better light here, but it's just a Phillips head screw that I guess tightens that area.
It just holds it.
Okay.
You see, the screw goes here and
Yeah.
just pre-tapped.
So it turns out it's actually a flathead, not a Phillips. And there's quite a bit of gunk that's kind of built up in the groove there, so you're trying to dig that out, right?
Yeah.
And the bracket has broken off of the burner part, so now you're just holding that in your hand.
We might have to cut it off, actually. I don't see how. This is destroyed. The screw is destroyed.
How is it destroyed? Just from corrosion?
Yes. I cannot. The thing doesn't
We
go
can't
on at all.
WD it.
And try to
The head doesn't go on. Yeah, let
You
me
want
try
a
the smaller one.
smaller.
No, I cannot get in enough. So we're being defeated by this part, which I don't know how much it costs. This is the igniter. Everything else seems to be pretty straightforward, but removing the igniter from its bracket, it seemed to be impossible.
They don't want to be separated.
It looks like the threads of this bolt are totally fused with the bracket, and as you can see, even though we created new ways to remove the bolt, it does not wish to budge. And sometimes DIY doesn't work exactly as you expect it to, right? The kit we got is the right kit, the parts look correct, right? But unfortunately, we do not have everything we need. And the part we're missing are the igniters, because the igniters are fused to the little brackets. Our new burners came with the bracket, but not the igniters. So we need to buy new igniters to attach here, which is not a problem other than not allowing us to do this today.
Right.
Now, if you have guests coming and you really needed your grill to work, this will still work with the caveat of you have to light it manually. The
Right. So
igniters
you can
will not
install
work.
those burners. You can run the gas, and you would just need one of the long lighters or
Right.
a long match or something.
So it is not a full failure, but it was not clear. It said this was the full kit, and I guess full can have different meanings for different people, right?
Yeah.
At least we learn. We will know for next time to look for igniters as well, right? So not everything is lost, even though the project didn't work as we expected. We know how to do it now.
Yep.
And we will not publish this video. We will publish this video. Then we will publish the video when it is corrected. To start the new year with a failure, and I don't think it's a failure per se. We tried it, right? We did our best.
Definitely a learning experience.
But it looks like we have to buy the igniters. We're trying to avoid buying the igniters because they work. It's not horrible. We'll buy the igniters and we will return with a successful. But sometimes this is the reality of DIY. We try to keep it real in this channel. Sometimes it won't work, right?
And sometimes it's a matter of taking everything apart before you see what you need. So we thought we had everything we needed, and this was an unwelcome surprise.
And your grill might be better. I think this is a design flaw, to be honest.
Could be.
The way they have it, these heats and colds, and it has just fused the
Yeah.
bolt to the.
Bracket.
So your grill might be better. You might be more successful, and again, it's worth it. For the kit is under $20. Maybe now with the igniters will become $25. But we'll buy the igniters and we'll be back with you at another episode. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.